Yeah, so we're going to check in the box around.
Basically because we ran out of space. So we can stop this. It's just garbage. People don't like to see garbage. Let's go to... Yeah, thanks. So giveaway shop. This is our...
Here is the potential or the volume in households per capita having at home. That means in Norway, they have households has almost 350 kilo per inhabitant at home. Can be in usage, can be as a stock, waiting as a waste or whatever. And Slovenia is somewhere here around 200 kilo. That means that average household has around 800 kilo in Slovenia at home. So you can count not just washing machine or white goods. That is maybe, I don't know, 300 kilo, but also a lot of IT, a lot of consumer electronics we have at home. If we calculate this with regard to the collection amount we have in Slovenia, so we put 15 kilo and collected was in 2016 6.2 kilo. That means additionally 9 kilo is per capita.
4 countries here, and so Recozy Slovenia, why we opened in Recozy Slovenia, as I mentioned before, we haven't got that type of the business here before, so it is a good opportunity, especially here. If I go back, you can see that there is an open window for the neighboring countries here, so we can serve from Slovenia other countries to have a good central location. And so we have a great support, like I said, with the mayor, local mayor, and of course with the Recozy network support. And we had also gained 20,000 euro for the startup social enterprises from Slovenian Ministry for the technology and economy and technology. So this is the all support what we got. So we have like 280 square meters. We have a production area and we have offices, and we have a dedicated team now who operates out of Slovenska Bistrica, and we are covering, as I said, Slovenian market, Italian market, and Croatian and Austrian market from here.
Continue, Matthew, with the 3 questions to Recozy.
Yeah, if
you mentioned cooperation with We Ireland, the PR organization in Ireland. How does it work? I mean, does We Ireland finance all these activities or all your service, or just deliver the equipment collected by the consumers or B2B with you?
Yeah, thank you for your question. The cooperation that we have with the compliance scheme, so it's We Ireland, ERP, and KMK. It is the 3 biggest compliance scheme in Ireland that we work with, and actually they collect the equipment and then they deliver to us. So they don't finance any of our activity, what we do, but they bring us the equipment. So that means that's how we are at the moment cooperating with them.
After you repair
price or company, but maybe laptop or phone is not same. But what status is? Maybe Jana, you represent reuse. Can you speak more about this? You know, it depends. Maybe Durchasa have these activities and not take lessons. No, it's not problem from permit and so. Maybe social enterprise, it's a problem. They don't have permit, they don't have lessons. Maybe Croatia have big problem with them. Yes. It is very successful. Then we spoke more about then it is. Now, what about this law legislation in the Brussels?
Well, I would say that it's very country specific, as you say, and it's really not really about being a social enterprise or not. It's about, for example, how the waste or products are collected. So, and I think even if there is a legislation, sometimes there is gray areas, like in Austria, where it's not quite clear. In Germany, it's also very unclear what is the status when it becomes waste or not.
legislations, but it's the first time also for the agency to do this. So it's a lot of other legislations have influence on that. So I think that that's the reason. But there is already a procedure, I think, for a few companies to gain this.
Since when is it in place, this legislation?
It's for 2 years already out. Yeah. Decree.